Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. Here we are at Carver Lake, and this is the skills park. Pretty awesome. Wah! Don't do that. Skinny, skinny. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this place is a lot of fun. Get out right here. This thing's crazy. Wow. So there's a wheelie drop up here. Wow. Yeah, that's not easy. Oh, rocks. Those are not part of the feature. Holy crap. Yeah, that'll throw you. I think that was a good warm-up. Now I'm tired, can't do the trails. Okay. Well, here we are on the actual trail. So I'm going back behind the skills thing I was just in, and oh my gosh, low-hanging branch. Yeah, it's dry as a bone here too, isn't it? So let's see how far I can get. That was my goal, is to come here and see how far I could get. Before I screw up on the feature. And there is literally no feature here that I haven't ridden, I don't think. With the exception of the stuff at the top of the hill on the other side there. Like this one, super easy. Have to stay focused though. Focus that rear tire on staying in the traction. There is a wooden feature up here that's like super scary. And I do not remember where it is. Oh, here it is. This thing is super creepy. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.